Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. It is one of the integrated schools situated at Mandapia at a distance of 40 km from the district headquarters Chittorgarh. Established in 1987, the Navodaya Vidyalaya system is a unique experiment unparalleled in the annals of school education in India and elsewhere, imparting quality education of students mainly from rural background. Now, best practices along with the achievements, maximum enrollment of the students in the online teaching classes of each subject. Motivation of the student is to be kept on topmost priority. There should be active participation of the students in academic and non-academic. Regular study material are to be sent to the students who are not joined the online classes. Students are intimated regularly about the telecast on Swamprabha channels. All the classes running smoothly via Google Meet app. Monitored all classes by principal and vice principal on daily basis. Now, regular counseling of every student at due interval without any fail. Counselors also interact with parents of students for their better mental health. Excellence in competitive exams. Now, our school conducted PISA CCT practice exam from last 2 years. Excellence in performance in board exams from last 3 years in JNV Mandapia Chittorgarh has given 100% result in CBSE board exams. Now the approach is time to time students are being guided through different faculties of coaching centers nearby Vidyalayas from Chittorgarh, Udaipur and Jaipur. Teachers are advised to prepare competency based question paper related to reading literacy, mathematical literacy and science literacy. Students are participating in pre-tests conducted by different competitive exams as IIT, JEE and NEET. Now, promotion of scientific temper, provide digital education to the student for their better all-round performance using Atal Lab as well as Samsung Lab. Now, also encourage students to join Root to Root brain development workshop as well as many Kathak workshops and promote maths and science quiz. Also celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav quiz, participate in taekwondo by teachers and students. Now, by stakeholders, all the members of schools are playing an important role to managing schools. They are also responsible for achievement of school activities like co-curricular activities, sports activities as well as academic activities. Now, our special excellence of our school is there is one student named Deepak Chingar has been selected as a Dakshina scholar at Dakshina Center, Pune.